Dear children, mobile phones are incredible devices that offer us many benefits and opportunities for learning, communication, and entertainment. However, it's important to use them responsibly and make wise choices. Here are a few guidelines to help you use your mobile phone in a healthy and productive way. Time management. Set limits on your screen time and prioritize other activities like outdoor play, hobbies, and spending time with family and friends. Balance is key, so make sure to allocate time for both online and offline activities. Privacy and security. Protect your personal information and privacy. Be cautious about sharing sensitive details online and only connect with people you know in real life. Remember to use strong passwords and avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading unknown apps. Respectful communication. Use your mobile phone to communicate with others respectfully. Be mindful of the words you choose and consider the impact your messages or comments may have on others. Treat others as you would like to be treated. Digital citizenship. Be a responsible digital citizen. Think before you post or share something online, as it can have lasting consequences. Be aware of cyberbullying and report any inappropriate behavior to a trusted adult or platform administrator. Healthy habits. Take breaks from your phone to give your eyes, body, and mind a rest. Engage in physical activities, read books, pursue hobbies, or spend time with loved ones without distractions. It's important to maintain a healthy balance between your digital and offline life. Remember, a mobile phone is a tool that should enhance your life, not control it. Embrace its positive aspects, but also be mindful of the potential pitfalls. With responsible use, your mobile phone can be a valuable asset in your life. Stay safe, be kind, and make the most of the wonderful opportunities that technology offers. Please subscribe abdullahpratap.k for more videos. Thank you. Best regards.